1 pound of ground beef. That's all it takes to prepare meals for the week ahead. Follow along with FN Sharp for this and many more. I'm taking some string cheese here and just cutting it up into small pieces. That's going to go inside of these quick meatballs. 1 large egg cracked against a bowl. We're going to add some breadcrumbs, of course. We're going to add some fresh grated Parmesan cheese and some seasonings, some garlic powder, Italian blend seasoning. If you don't have string cheese, that's okay. Just use some shredded mozzarella, and I always suggest shredding it fresh. Don't buy the pre-shredded stuff because it has a coating on there. The melting factor is just not as good as if you grate it fresh. Form your meatballs by hand. Once you get it into a meatball shape, you're going to take one of your thumbs and you're going to press a divot right inside the center. You're going to add some fresh chopped spinach, some mozzarella, cover it again with a little bit of spinach again, and then you're going to form the meatball around that pocket, making sure to seal all your edges and have that goodness be inside of your meatball, and then kind of reshape your meatballs, set aside, and get ready to brown them in a pan with a little bit of oil. If they're sticking too much, that means they're not ready to turn over. So just wait till they naturally release. Get them browned on all sides. Then get them into a saucepan that has some warm pasta sauce. Whatever your favorite jarred sauce is, it doesn't make a difference here. These meatballs are going to help season the sauce. Get them bubbling away for about a half an hour, 40 minutes. Add your favorite pasta. Divide them up for the week, and you are all set. Look at that. Enjoy. Follow along. fnsharp.com.